Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pavitra Iyer. If you are new here, I make videos related to beauty, fashion, makeup, and if you like what you see, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my future videos. And for today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this My Glam Lit Matte Liquid Lipsticks. So if you're interested in this video, then continue watching. So I have 3 shades with me right here. So this is how the packaging looks like. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has all the required details mentioned on the packaging. So the outer packaging is really nice. It's sleek and girly, and once you open, you have the actual lipstick, which looks like this. It comes with this glass packaging where you can see the actual product. Also on the packaging, they have mentioned the name and the number of the liquid lipstick. This retails for 395 rupees, and here are the shades which I have. Shade name and shade number is mentioned at the bottom. So this is how the liquid lipstick looks like. I'll show you guys one, and this is the doe foot applicator. It comes with this elongated doe foot applicator. Okay, let's talk a little more about the packaging. So it comes with the doe foot applicator, as I showed you guys. It's quite elongated, like it's supremely long. As you can see, it's not like that a regular lipstick which is in medium size. It's quite elongated, and the doe foot applicator is quite saturated as in you don't have to like go back with the product again and again to fill your lips. So one swipe, it's like done, and the pigmentation is really bomb, you guys. Like one swipe you get that opaque color. And also about the applicator, it's like quite sturdy, I would say, and I'm not like really big fan of this elongated applicator because we have used all the mid-size liquid lipsticks, so maybe that's the reason I'm like not that comfortable with the applicator. And this kind of transparent packaging will help to get to know which shade we want to use exactly, and we can like literally keep it in this manner so that we can identify which shade we wanna use. So that is like really nice. The packaging is good, I like it. It's really chic and girly. Then moving on to formula, it has like a very medium consistency, I would say. It's not too thick, it's not too runny. It has perfect consistency, and one swipe you get that opaque color. The consistency wise, it's amazing. It's not that thick on your lips. The color intensity is really good. Pigmentations are bomb, and they have like different ranges. Like the colors are like really good. It has from reds, pinks, purples, nudes. I really like all the shades. They have like maybe 30 shades, I believe. So I have these 3 shades. One is from the nude, and this is from the purple category, and this is from the red. So I just wanted to try in each category maybe, so I thought of buying this. And then this is the shade which I'm wearing right here. This is kind of nude, which says micro cheating, I guess. Yeah, it is 24 micro cheating. So coming back to staying power of these liquid lipsticks, it easily stays around 5 to 6 hours or more than that maybe if you don't eat anything. If you eat anything in general or oily, it will fade off from the centers, and you can reapply the lipsticks, not an issue in that because the lipsticks are lightweight. But what I have noticed is that if you layer this lipstick too much, it will look very cracky and very cranky maybe. So you can just dab the lipstick and that would look good. So if you like layer this too much, it will not look good on your lips, and I feel it's slightly drying. So if you have like super dry skin, better apply some moisturizer underneath and then you can use this lipsticks, because as you can see, it does settle on your fine lines or on the cracks. So I just suggest use some moisturizing lip balm, and then you can apply this lipsticks. As such, it don't feel drying, but in case if you have super dry lips, then you can like use this hack and use the lipstick. It does not transfer once it dries. So yes, overall what I think about this liquid lipsticks from My Glam is they are ever so slightly drying and they settle on the cracks, which I personally don't like. If you don't apply moisturizer beneath, it will sit on the fine lines, and you can see it have literally like, you can literally see there is a line inside here. So that's the reason I'm not like really impressed with the liquid lipsticks. I would rate 8.5 for 10 because of the reason which I said. And most importantly, I picked these lipsticks because they are paraben free, cruelty free and vegan. That's the reason I just wanted to try out these lipsticks. As I said, it could have been much better. So that is my honest opinion on this liquid matte lipstick from My Glam. So now let's see the swatches of the shades I have and come back soon. My Glam Lit Matte Liquid Lipstick review and demo. And if you want to remove this lipstick, you need micellar water or any oil based cleanser to remove this liquid lipstick. So yes, overall I would recommend you guys to try this lipstick out when you get it on discount. And after I purchased this lipstick, I have been using them for more than a month now. And after purchasing this lipstick, I saw there was a free lipstick survey going on the My Glam app. So you can just take a survey and try out the lipstick. I think the lipstick retails for 99. That's it if you give the survey. So yeah, if you want to try, you can try through that. So I think I have covered pretty much everything about this liquid lipstick. I really hope you guys liked this video and it was helpful. If you want more such videos, reviews on particular product, please comment down below and let me know. I would review it for you guys. With that being said, I'll wrap up this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And this is the day 14th of 30 days video challenge. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then I'm posting regularly on YouTube for April month, so do check out my other videos if you want to. With that, I'll wrap up this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.